Welcome back to another episode of vidIQ Shorts. 60 seconds, one topic, let's go.
By the end of June, if a channel had been waiting 30 days or more, they will be reviewed by the team.
The result of that review will either be acceptance into the partner program, rejection, or further review, which YouTube say they need to analyze more data from your channel. And surprise, surprise, that's a situation many of you find yourselves in right now. If you received this email, YouTube does not have enough information to make a decision on your channel yet. A further review is needed in, to quote, the near future. What does the near future mean?
I don't know.
The latest post on the YouTube forum explains that they have no date or time frame for the next round of re-reviews, but you will receive another email when that happens. If you've been rejected from the YouTube Partner Program, you have 30 days to clean up your channel and reapply. And finally, if you have applied for monetization after June 1st, the backlog is cleared and your channel should be reviewed in weeks rather than months. As always, share your stories in the comments below.